Hey guys, so this was the inspiration for my next project here. Originally I made the coasters out of barn board, but I thought cedar might be interesting as well. So these are fence boards, but I thought they were pretty good looking. So a little long at 6 feet. I thought I'd cut them in half and make them a little more manageable. So I had made a little jig for the barn board coasters, and I was hoping to reuse them. Love my little Supermax 1938 drum sander. It's pretty convenient, it's nice. Sometimes putting the sandpaper on can be a real pain though. So I managed to yield about 32 or so. Not perfectly efficient, but close enough. Time to add a little 1/4 inch roundover. This went pretty quick, but you could see if you had a CNC, you could make this real efficient. So I found the secret not to get the little divot from a router bed at the bottom is to start up by going round and round. That seemed to do the trick. A little bit of hand sanding, break the corners, and just to give it a once over. Wanted to give the inside a little bit of sanding, so I thought I'd make this little jig, make it a little easier. I don't have an edge sander, but I do have a belt sander. So this is an old jig I had made. Turns your belt sander into an edge sander. Definitely worth having. I don't use adhesive back sandpaper in any of my sanders, but it is handy from time to time. It's always good to have the wifey seal of approval. Pretty happy with how these junction coasters turned out as well. Thanks for watching, guys.